how to get more for your trade-in, between 10 and 50,000 Rand more every time you trade in your vehicle using this technique and strategy. I will make sure that you are the toughest, strongest negotiator that a dealership has ever faced in their lives. This masterclass is a little bit more technical, but remember, it's very, very easy. Everything that's going to be discussed here will be on a free downloadable PDF just below the video. Let's get into it. There's 4 things that affect your trade-in. 4 things. It is always age, kilometer, spec, and condition. Those are the 4 things. Now, don't be that consumer or that customer that asks the dealership, how much is my car worth? What are you prepared to pay me? You're going to need to take between 20 and 30 minutes to do some research, some homework, so that you are informed, and you're going to tell the dealer, this is what I feel my car is worth. You're going to stand your ground and you're going to negotiate hard. Let's go into the strategy. Now, for this video, we are using a 2017 model BMW 320 diesel M Sport with 60,000 kilometers. The trade on the vehicle is 301,000. Retail is 345,000. There are many places where you can get the trade-in value of your vehicle. One of them is the link below this video. Send us your information and we'll share the trade-in retail for free. It will take you a couple of minutes. Thank you. Let's continue. The chart provided on the PDF shows you how you can adjust between plus 13% on the trade to a minus 18% on the trade, dependent on the condition and the mileage of your vehicle. So let's get into it. This vehicle is a 320 diesel, 60,000 kilometers. The condition is good, therefore it was adjusted to 10%. All of this information is on the PDF. It reads very easy, don't stress about it. You need to pinpoint the condition and the mileage on the specific chart. That's when you'll get the 10% escalation. So all of a sudden the dealership said to you, Mr. Customer, Mrs. Customer, 301 is the trade-in value. I said, no, what about the adjustment for condition and mileage? It's in fact 330,000 Rand. That's your trade-in value, as you can add the 10% for the chart adjustment. The next step we're going to take is the little bit of homework and a little bit of research. Now, a dealership tends to make between 10 and 12% on any vehicles above 250,000. So if you see a car selling for 379 or 389.9, 10% around 40,000 Rand. So then it's fair for you to say, Mr. or Mrs. Dealer, my vehicle is in fact worth between 330 and 340. You are reverse engineering the pricing strategy of the dealer and coming up with your price of 330 to 340. That's what your car is worth. Less to spend. Remember, the less to spend. What does that mean? Any sort of damage on your vehicle that needs to be reconditioned before it's showroom ready. Now, to give you a guideline, if your rims are normal painted rims, around 850 is what it costs, 850 Rand. Diamond cut rims, those shiny ones, the newer type of vehicle, the one this vehicle is equipped with, are about 1,500 Rand, so 1,500 Rand to repair it professionally. Okay, any damage on big panels, like a bonnet with stone chips, dents, scratches, 2,250 is more or less the maximum a professional panel shop will charge you to fix it. Any smaller panels, around 1,850. So if the dealer wants to deduct more than that, challenge them on it, because that's what it costs. Tires, you can phone 3 or 4 places and get more or less the price on the tires. If his reconditioning report is in line, then it's someone with integrity and goodwill. You can definitely do business with a dealer that more or less charges you that sort of price range for reconditioning. So what do you do when you get to the dealership? Number one important thing, you want to meet the manager. 2 reasons why you want to meet the manager. You want to see the type of person that the manager is. You want to read body language. Is he a friendly person? Is he approachable? How is he treating the rest of the people? Watch what he does. Because 10 to 1, if there's an issue with the vehicle later on, the manager is the person that's going to be resolving the issue. Number 2 reason, you want to ask that manager, Mr. or Mrs. Manager, how long has that vehicle been in stock? So most dealerships run a floor plan. Anything above 45 days, then that floor plan starts to cost the dealership money. So if he says it's been here around 2 months, then you know you're in the power seat. You're armed with all the information that you need. Please be friendly with the dealership, but don't allow them to bully you. So stand your ground, be firm, and negotiate hard up from the price that they offered you. So, if you enjoyed this episode and you like the type of content that we produce and send out, please hit the subscribe button as well as the bell, and we'll send you a notification every time a new episode comes up. Maybe your friend or family member will also get between 10 and 50,000 Rand more for their trade-in. Take care, everybody.